Hi guys, welcome to TechCom channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use MEE6 bot in Discord. So in this case you have to open a new tab and write here MEE6 bot, and then click on the first link, this one. After that you can see here add to Discord. Click on this add to Discord. Then here your server, all of your server are here. Just choose your server where you want to invite this bot. I'm choosing this server. Awesome guys. Okay, it is asking for authentication here. Authorize your channel, prove that you're a human. Okay, now let's check. Not this. You can see here a wild MEE6 appeared. That means MEE6 bot is here. Now how you can use it? Click slash and you'll find, where is MEE6 bot? Let me find this one. You can see here add emoji, add characters, dashboard, help, imagine, or magic, or write. Anything you can do this thing here. Like I'm adding an emoji, so add emoji here. Any emoji you can add. So after adding emoji here you can add many things like this. Imagine, you can imagine, you can use this MEE6 bot to imagine your character with using Midjourney AI, like this. Imagine a cow is eating hot dog. You can choose the style, realistic, and press enter and wait for some seconds and see the magic. Before that you must have to, okay, you can see here a cow is eating hot dog here. Okay, so guys, yeah, another thing you can do before, if you want to create images, AI created images like this, you must have to invite Midjourney first. Then you can do your things by doing with MEE6 bot. Again I'm doing another thing like this, slash, then you can add characters here, dashboard here, help, imagine, magic, avatars. You can write your content also here. Okay guys, so this is how you can use MEE6 app bot for your daily assistance in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.